channel Learn with Rosni. In previous video, we learned about the preposition rules, that how we use to preposition in our exams without making any grammatical errors. So our today's topic is conjunctions, and we learn this conjunction part little by little. So at first we have to know what is conjunctions, then after types of conjunctions, then some list of conjunctions. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like this video then please give us a thumbs up. Basically, rules in English grammar is very important from the point of view of all competitive exams. Almost all the competitive exams have a verbal English and as well as descriptive English to test the candidate's skill in English grammar. Hence, it's important to gain the clarity about grammar rules regarding the conjunctions. So without doing any more delay, let's start. So at first we have to know what is conjunction. A word that is used for joining the words or phrases or clauses is called conjunctions. Now we will look the types of conjunction. So basically there are three types of conjunction, that is coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. And now we look these three types of conjunctions with their examples to know what is coordinating conjunctions, what is subordinating conjunctions and what is correlative conjunctions. So now move to the examples. First example is, he went to the market and bought a book. So here and add the two verb which is went and bought. Next example is, Ram is honest but poor. So here but add the two adjective, that is honest and poor. Next is, Ram as well as Syam came yesterday. So here as well as add the two nouns, that is Ram and Syam. Fourth is, he came but he did not. So here but add the two clauses. So this all four examples shows the coordinating conjunction. So those conjunctions which is a part of speech of two independent clauses or two words, this is called the coordinating conjunctions. So now we move to the next example. If you come tomorrow, I shall give you some money, and in next mean work that they may earn something. So in this these two examples, we look here if and that at the two independent clauses. Okay, so this is called the subordinating conjunctions. And next is correlative conjunctions. So correlative conjunction are those conjunctions which is add the sentence in the couples of the conjunctions. So here some of the list of the couples of the conjunctions, that is both and. So how to use in sentence of correlative conjunctions. So now we look both and. So here its example is, he is both dull and idle. Next is not only but also. Here he was not only dull but also idle. Next is either or. Its example is, either you or your brother has done it. Neither nor. For this example is, she can neither sing nor dance. Next is through yet. Though he is poor, yet he is honest. No sooner did he see me than he fled away. Next is scarcely, when. I had scarcely reached home when it began raining. Now the next is whether or. So here it is not known whether the exam will be held today or not. Next is so as. So its example is, nothing is so bad as dishonesty. Next is as. For this example is, and couple is as good as a peer. Next is so that. For this example is he worked so hard that he felt tired. Next is rather than. Its example is I would rather die than beg. Such that. There was such a loud noise that it annoyed everyone. Next is such as. He is not such a fool as you think him to be. So this all shows the coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunction and correlative conjunctions. Now we move to the functions of conjunctions. So what are the functions of conjunctions? So there are mainly two functions of conjunctions. First is there are mainly three works of coordinating conjunction. Okay, so what are the three works? First is to add the two independent clause. And what are the two independent clause? We know and, otherwise, only, but, yet, nor, or, and however. So these all are the two independent clause at the two independent clauses. So its example is flee away, otherwise you shall be arrested. Next is to differentiate, and for to use the to differentiate we use the but, while, whereas, yet, only, still. So these all the conjunctions shows the comparison or contrast. So its example is he is weak while I am strong. Also, you are rich whereas I am poor. And next is to inform, inference or effect. So for this we use so, for, therefore, etc. So its example is he must die someday, for all men are mortal. Also, you have done wrong, so you will be fined. So the second function is there are mainly two works of subordinating conjunctions. First is to add the principal clause and subordinating clause. Next is to add the coordinate clause and subordinate clause. And I hope you understand very well. And if you have any query or suggestions for me, then comment me on comment sections. Till then,